Okay, here's the problem I have with adjustments. They're great. They give temporary relief. They take pressure off the joint, off the spine. People can walk. They go, something happened, but usually it doesn't last. I've never seen it last. That's why I kind of left the whole industry.
Yeah. Well, that's what you and I agreed on before when I first met you, is the fact that there's not a continuity to adjustments and then going right into movement-based exercise.
Because people start relying on the adjustment.
Right.
The challenge I find with the adjustment is that pain's a motivator to take action, and if you just take it away from them, then it's easy to just want more of that because it was easy, rather than having people like learn from their pain and
Well,
work.
it's no different than just giving, it's better than giving a pill.
It does help. It's better than a pill.
Because it is motion. You're getting activation to the brain. So from a neurological side, I look at it like, hey, we're activating the shit out of the brain.
There's some brainal activation happening, but you still got to fix your shit.
Only you can.